Good afternoon, everyone. I will demonstrate the basic navigation and different angle gestures using TalkBack in an Android device. This will help our visually impaired learners to attend asynchronous and synchronous classes since we are in the midst of pandemic. Good afternoon, class. Today, I will teach you the basic navigation and different angle gestures using TalkBack in your Android device. Are you ready? Okay, since you are ready, so let's begin. In this lesson, you will learn about basic navigation of your Android phone or your mobile device using TalkBack. Since you have learned already on how you are going to activate your TalkBack. This would help you in navigation of various applications and functions of your mobile device.
There are two ways on how you can navigate your Android phone. First, it can be explored by touch. Secondly, you may explore it by flicking or swiping. Now, let's try to explore it by touch using one finger gesture.
Google search.
So as you notice, you may explore it
Yahoo Mail, YouTube,
by touch
phone,
without
Gcash,
lifting your
double
finger
tap
on the
calculator,
screen.
Play Store, Gallery, double Messenger, double tap to
As
activate,
your
double
finger
tap and
moves
hold to
around
long
the
press,
screen,
actions available,
TalkBack
use
will
swipe up
announce
and right to view.
whatever item appears on that part of the screen.
Phone, YouTube, Yahoo Mail, Gmail,
So you may
double
touch
Messenger,
it
Gallery, Play Store, Calculator,
to the left,
double tap to activate Play Store, Gallery, Messenger, double Facebook, Settings, Photogrid, Movie Attendance, Clock,
and
Movie
to
Photogrid,
the right.
Set, Facebook. Double tap to activate, double tap and hold to long press, actions
When
available,
using
use swipe
TalkBack,
up and right to view.
the items touched by your finger as it moves along the screen will not be activated.
Phone, YouTube.
So YouTube
Double
is
tap
not
to activate,
activated
double tap and hold to long
unless
press,
you
actions
will
available,
double tap
swipe
it.
up and right to get your video ad on YouTube. You only pay when someone chooses to watch at least 30.
Another way of exploring apps on the screen is by flick or swipe. Explore by swipe or flick can be done by sliding a finger from left to right or vice versa. So let's try it.
Gmail.
So swipe it
to activate,
from left to right
to long press, actions available, use swipe up
or
and right
vice
to view.
versa.
Phone.
Okay, so that's it. Try to do this in one continuous motion. So you can have the flick or the swipe gesture. When you use Explore by Flick, TalkBack will announce each item on the screen one by one.
Yahoo Mail. Gmail. Double tap to activate, double tap and hold. Calculator. Facebook. Double tap to activate, double tap and hold to long press, actions available, use swipe up and right to view.
In performing the Explore by Flick gesture, the last announced item is the selected one. So the last item is the Facebook. Still, it will not be activated unless you will double tap it.
Facebook. Search Facebook button.
We knew the basic navigation. Let us now discuss the 6 angle gestures. Now, let's try to demonstrate the 6 angle gestures. First, let's have the home screen. For home screen, angle gesture, you need to swipe up, then left. Okay, so let's try. Swipe up, then left. Let's say, for example,
Facebook.
I am in a Facebook.
Search Facebook button.
Then
tap to activate.
then I want to go to my home screen. So I will swipe up, then left.
Home screen, page 1 of 12, default page, search.
So I am now in my home screen. Next, let's have the back gesture. Swipe down, then left. So let's have that. Swipe down, then left.
Double tap to activate, double tap.
So dapat mabilis yung kamay nyo sa pag-swipe. Okay? So let's have the back gesture. So swipe down, then left. Okay? Let's say for example,
Facebook.
You are again in Facebook.
Search Facebook button. Double tap to activate.
So let's have the back gesture. So that will be swipe down, then left.
Home screen, page 1 of 12, default page, Facebook. Double tap to activate, double tap and hold to long press, actions available.
So let's say for example, I will explore it by touch.
Yahoo Mail, Gmail. Double tap to activate, double tap and hold Messenger.
Then I will go to
double tap and hold to
Messenger.
Messenger, chats, 3 unread messages, tab 1 of 2.
Then I will choose
chats, 3 unread messages, unread Android seg. 9 minus.
This one.
Double tap to activate.
So you will have to use the back gesture if you want to go back to the previous page that you want to be in. So we will have down, then left.
Back selfie.
Down, left.
Chats,
okay.
Message, tab 1 of 2.
So we are now in that particular page. Now, let's proceed to the third gesture, which is the recent app gesture. How are you going to have that gesture or explore your mobile device using the recent app gesture? So it is done by swiping it left to the left, then up. Okay, so let's try. To the left, then up. Okay. So as you notice, I have here the recent app
double tap to act
that I have. So I have there the YouTube
in list. Double tap
the Facebook app,
Messenger, chats 2.
Now let's proceed to another angle gesture, which is the notification shade gesture. How are you going to do the notification shade gesture? So you will do that, or you can do that by simply swiping right then down. So let's do that. Right then down.
Notification shade.
Okay.
As always.
So again, if we are in our home screen, swipe it right then down. Right then down. So dapat mabilis. Ayan. Okay, so we are now in the notification shade. So you can see your notifications there. So you may explore it by touching. Okay. Now let us proceed to another angle gesture, which is the menu angle gesture. We have two kinds, the local context menu and the global context menu gestures. So for local context menu gesture, you need to swipe it up then right. Okay, so let's do that. Swipe it up then right.
Alert local context menu. Actions 1 of 2. In list 2 items.
Okay.
Double tap to activate.
So I am now in my local context menu. How about the global context menu? So you can have the gesture for global context menu by simply swiping it down to the right. Okay, so let's do that. Swipe it down, then to the right.
Navigation 2 of 2. Double tap to activate.
So let's say for example, you are in your home screen.
Cancel.
Okay.
One UI home. Gmail.
So
home screen. Page 1
you
of
need
12 default page.
to go
Double
to
tap
your
to
global
activate.
context
Double tap and
menu.
hold to long press.
You need to
Actions
swipe
available.
it
Swipe up
down
to view.
to the right. Okay? Then down to the right.
Alert global context menu. Read from top 1 of 10 in list 10 items.
Okay, so
Double
you
tap
are
to
now
activate.
in your global context menu. Then you can explore it.